Hi guys, I've got this old round dining table. I've started dismantling it. It's round top just doesn't work for us anymore, takes up too much space. I'm going to take it to bits and try and use the legs and things and see if we can make a nice new oblong table. Might have to buy a bit more wood for the top, but trying to strip everything down to see how much I can use, the little brackets, etc. So we'll see how we go. As you can see, I've managed to change the shape a little bit. We've got a rectangular table now. I've managed to make it up so far of the existing top from the round table. We've just got some, it came in segments like that, and obviously we've managed to cut them down. I'm going to have to purchase a new top, and I'm going to make it about 100mm bigger than what the framework is, and brace the legs up a bit, and we should have a nice different shaped table that's going to work a lot better for us. Again, bit of recycling, upcycling, and we'll get something that's a bit more convenient for ourselves. As you can see, the table's taking shape now, from a round table to a rectangular table. Managed to do an exterior around the top in the matching timber. Unfortunately, I've got no more decent offcuts left, so I'm going to tile inset in the middle, and I'll show you when I'm at the next stage of how to turn a round table into a rectangular table. As you can see now, I've managed to get the centre in, ready for tiling. I've just used some leftover match boarding, some tongue and groove boarding that I had left over from another project, and then I'm going to tile it. I've just sealed the edges with a product here that they have that's a glue and sealer for wood, just to make it a bit stronger, and like I say, I'll tile it and I'll show you once it's finished. As you can see, the table is now finished. It's tiled and grouted. Again, you may have seen these tiles in another table for outside I did. I just got them left over. I think they work quite well. They give a nice rustic feel. I may just stain the wood down again. I've got to do some sanding and repair on the chairs. But yeah, pleased with that. So we end up with a nice rectangular table, which is better for when we're storing it, etc. Out of a round table, and very little cost. I've probably spent €20 on the change because I've used all products I've got. So please like and subscribe. More videos to come. Thanks for watching.